Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a community site with Meetup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build a community site with Meetup, start by visiting the Meetup website. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Fill in your details to create an account or log in if you have one. Once logged in, locate the Start a Meetup button on your dashboard. Select a name for your group that reflects its purpose. Choose the category that best fits your community. Next, add a description to provide potential members with an overview. Set your group's location by entering your city or neighborhood. Specify what type of events your group will host. Decide on your group's visibility settings, either public or private. Now, create your first event by clicking on the Create Event button. Enter a catchy title for your event that grabs attention. Fill in the date and time when the event will take place. Add a location, whether it's in person or online. Provide a detailed description, including what participants can expect. Set the event's capacity to control how many people can attend. Decide whether the event requires an RSVP or if it's open for anyone. Preview your event details to ensure everything is accurate. Now, publish your event to make it visible to the public. Share your group link on social media to attract new members. Engage with your community by responding to questions and comments. Continue to create more events based on member interests and feedback. Monitor RSVPs and participation to understand what works best. Encourage members to invite their friends to grow your community. Keep the atmosphere positive and welcoming to retain members. Regularly update your group with news and upcoming events. Utilize Meetup's features like polls to gather member opinions. Remember to celebrate the successes of your community by highlighting member contributions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.